Okay, here we are at the cocoa farm in Baracoa. So we got the cocoa trees here. So we got 3 different kind of cocoa. We got the cocoa trinitario, imported, introduced from Trinidad and Tobago. Actually, the whole cocoa was introduced in Cuba hundreds of years ago. We got the cocoa forastero, and we got like an hybrid of the cocoa. So we got the plant that takes more or less from 3 to 5 years to start giving fruits after they've replanted on the field. It needs a lot of humidity and shade, and they got cocoa all year round. The real harvest is from January to July. After that, the production decreases a little bit, but then they have cocoa all year round. They sell most of their production to the Cuban government. Actually, they sell the 90%, and they keep the 10% for themselves for their own consumption, and also to make some chocolate process that we got some here, and that way we contribute to the local economy, which simply Cuba to us.
Cuatro grados, 5 horas, todo lento, de la humedad. Ya tú estás viviendo.
So the roasting process lasts approximately between 4 and 5 hours. You know, low fire to really roast it.
And that's why you haven't burnt your hand.
Si más cacao, más tiempo.
As you can see, very high tech.
Ya se está.
Y vamos a un poquito aquí para que vean. Yo soy grande, es una hora de contar. He hecho cacao y agua, todo de agua. Tengo agua de chingo. Voy a servir un chocolate. Entonces vamos pues secando ya. No tengo mucha candela, una candela muy estable, ¿ves? Después van a hervir ahí, tú vas volviendo, vamos a pegar en el fondo la cacao. Hasta abajo. Ya se va secando el agua, la grasa. Dame la grasa del agua y después. Se hacen unos pocos así, o una grieta, ¿sabes? Prensa.
Y así es como hacen el
saca la grasa, esta pasta, el licor
le hacen la grasa de cacao esa que te venden en los pomitos.
Los pomitos, como tengo ahora. Me gusta que también.
No, tranquilo. So, using this paste, this dark chocolate paste, okay, imagine not only this a small quantity but a lot of it. They just put it in one of these pots, this one or that one over there with the chocolate, and then water, and then they boil it, okay, and that's the way they obtain the cocoa butter. That is part of also of the things they get for themselves, and also of course to make a profit too. They sell, you know, so they can make a profit out of it. They can make some money out of it.
La fábrica es esa mezcla sin agua, prensa. Prensado, calor.
That's dry cacao. When it's dried, then we go to
Roast.
So everything here is made by hand.
Organic.
Yeah. So we got here, they use wood, you know, and then they start mixing here until it is toasted. Now when it is toasted, we got now the cocoa. Then
Oh yeah, the nib.
yeah, we got the inside, which is ready.
Smells like dark chocolate.
Ya ahora he chocolate, y a partir del proceso de fermentación, secado y ya tostado, ya empieza a salir ya el.
From the fermentation process, you can start selling the chocolate. Let's hear the smell. So this now the shell from the chocolate seeds. You see the hard process of doing it all manual. seeing here, my friend, is just the natural process of how the locals obtain their own chocolate. Since the very beginning, it's all handmade, organic, no machines involved,
No fertilizer.
no fertilizers, natural compost.
You gonna give it a go?
Sì, io metti qui. Sta fuerte. Ojalá aquí va que buena
Great arm workout, eh?
And then what we have here is a paste. You see? It is dark chocolate paste.
Yum.
Then 100%
Dark chocolate.
dark chocolate.
Actually, tastes a bit like coffee.
Now you got all this paste. Yeah, what a mess. you got this paste, well, the whole ball of a paste. Then you take it in your hand, make a mold, like a ball like this. You let it dry for a couple of hours, and then you will have a perfect chocolate ball.
That's for drinking, you said. Is that the one you grate for drinking?
Yeah, that's what this is. 100% dark chocolate that you can grate it, you know, and put it into your milk or hot water, and you make your own hot chocolate. You know.
Delicious.
Also, I have some chocolate
This morning.
for breakfast.
So good.
Well, believe it or not. And we got the final product, the chocolate bar. There's a little bit of sugar. They put also a little bit of salt and some caramel flavor. So here we are.
Delicious. Wow! Must try.
Definitely, it is a must to try the chocolate bars here in Baracoa, the best land of chocolate of the world.
Sorry.